Do you want to save more money while working in print-on-demand business? Welcome again, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about a nice and legal way to save your money in your pocket, to subscribe to some amazing tools to help you more in your print-on-demand work. And this method is cashback. And hold on, if you don't know what cashback means and how cashback website works, simply, when you find your brand and your store in the cashback website, the cashback website directs you to your normal brand in question, where you can do a normal shopping process. Therefore, you would get a percent of what you have paid back. Therefore, you can withdraw your earnings and your money in the cashback website in different ways, like PayPal, wire transfer, check, virtual gift cards, and so on. For example, if you had a cashback offer which is about 50% and you had paid $10, so your cashback would be $5. That was a simple mechanism of cashback website. I hope you got it. So in this video, I'd like to show you some fantastic examples of the best cashback websites currently I'm using to save more money while working in print-on-demand business. Now, let's get started. So I would like to begin with this amazing website, Top Cashback. And Top Cashback has two branches, the official one and the American one. The official one, or the UK branch, and the American one, or the international website, topcashback.com. And of course, both websites have different brands and even different cashback offers. For example, here in topcashback.co.uk, as you see here, my earnings, as you see here, 41 sterling pounds. And regarding print-on-demand business, here you can find something like canva.com. And see, for Canva, and you can head to this offer. Here you find two amazing options, two amazing cashback offers. Either Canva Pro monthly, you would get 66% cashback offers, or Canva Pro annually, which is about 16% cashback offer, here in topcashback.co.uk. So just you can select one of these beautiful offers and you will be directed to your canva.com account. Therefore, you can subscribe to Canva Pro and pay normally and get your cashback here in your account on topcashback.co.uk. So the second one is about Shutterstock. Of course, we all know Shutterstock is a premium website that gives you high quality photos in different niches and different topics, and here you can get 20% cashback offer. Or in the same website, topcashback.co.uk, in Wondershare, to make some editing, some PDF editing tools and something like that, here you can get 31 cashback offer. And as we'll add here on InVideo, the most powerful editing website to make your promotional video, commercial video, to promote your designs and your products and your t-shirts on social media, here you can get 10% cashback. On the other hand, if we head to topcashback.com, the international branch of Top Cashback, here you can find regarding Canva offer two plans. Canva Pro yearly subscription purchase, you will get 15%. Or Canva Pro monthly subscription, you would get 63%. And here on topcashback.com, you can find some amazing offers, like for example, Shutterstock, you will get 21%. Or for Shutterfly, the same as Shutterstock, you will get 2% cashback offer. Or for Adobe company, you can get your Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and so on. You will get 7% cashback, or Adobe Stock for 63 cashback offer. And as for InVideo in topcashback.com, here you can get amazing cashback offer, which is about 50% cashback offer, as you see, for month subscription. And as for annual subscription, you will get 36% cashback offer. So the first website for today to get your cashback offers is Top Cashback in both branches, the international and the official one. And to be proved that Top Cashback gives you your earnings like this one, as here, 30 sterling pounds in PayPal destination, as you see. So the first website is Top Cashback. And the second website I recommend for you, that is maxrebates.com. maxrebates.com. Here you can find some amazing stores that you will not find anywhere else. For example, like placeit.net. Placeit. And here you will find this amazing offer from Placeit by Envato. As you see, unmissable offer, which is about 50% cash back. And personally, I am using this amazing offer from maxrebates.com. Just so you can get reward or get your cash back, and you will get your money 50%. To prove that for you, as you see, it was 2 days ago. Your application for withdrawal, $35 approved via PayPal, as you see. And of course, Placeit is the best marketplace to get your professional mockups to promote your designs and your products on social media. And if you want to save more money concerning some other tools in print on demand business, so I'd love to show an amazing website that is seoshop.com. Here you can get some lovely tools at lower price, either in some plans like light plan, advanced plan, okay, or pro plan, or you can in designer pack and writers pack. And regarding print on demand business, so you can use this amazing pack or this amazing bundle of your tools. Like you can get Stock Unlimited, Victeezy, InVideo, Vista Create, that was formerly Crello, Canva, PixArt, Magesto, Motion Templates, Pick Money, Envato, Snapit, Flaticon, Uplabs, and so on and so forth, just for $7 a month. Or you can get access to some tools individually, like here. You can subscribe to Keyword Tool, SEMrush, Writer.me, InVideo.io, Spin Rewriter, Victeezy, Placeit.net, Script, Helium 10, Niches, and so on and so forth. And here you can figure out that every single tool would cost you $1, $2, or $3 at maximum. And of course, I have talked about this amazing tool, seoshop.com, and how to get access to tools according to your plan in a previous video. Find this video below in the description box. So now you have known how to save more money to subscribe to some lovely tools to help you more in your print on demand business, like canva.com, placeit.net, Victeezy, InVideo.io, and so on. So you can create your designs, you can get professional mockups, you can create your promotional videos and your commercials to promote your designs and your products on social media, and so on. And just then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.